Thank you guys for doing this. You are actually up against WTF team. If you guys win, then I have some products and a nice hamper from Gush Beauty. And the founder of Gush Beauty has decided to play the game. So if she wins, she will give it to someone else. But I'm excited.
This is a simple show. 4 rounds and 1 couch. We ask questions and you yell the answers.
So even if it's wrong answer, it's okay?
No, the right answer is okay.
If you're the first to get it right, congratulations. You are now in the next round.
Hey, I got 3, okay, about.
Round 1 needs 1 right answer. Round 2 needs 2. Round 3 needs 3. You see the pattern.
What if 3 लोगों ने चिल्लाया जोर से? Who will decide who was the first?
Exactly, that's me. It's very humiliating to get out in the first round.
If you've understood the rules so far, you're already doing better than our host. In the finale, the first player to yell 4 correct answers wins the prize.
Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, action. What does USB stand for?
Unique selling point. Unique selling point.
USB?
Service bus.
What is USB?
Universal Serial Bus.
Unique selling point. And what is the time if the small hand is at 7 and the large hand is at 4?
410. 47. What did you say?
4:35. 7:20. Come on. 4:35. Right. In what year did the Titanic sink?
1912.
20.
1912. What does HDMI stand for?
High definition media input.
Meta inductor.
High definition.
Multiple input.
I highly recommend not answering if you don't know. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun?
Japan.
Japan is the answer. What is the rarest and the most expensive spice in the world? She said it. She said it. What is the value of 67 raised to the power of 0?
170.
And we go. Vaibhav has made it. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1, just by the way. Name one fictional continent in Game of Thrones.
King's Landing.
Antarctica.
One fictional continent. They used to-
Asia.
Fictional बोला तूने एशिया बोल दिया. Which company was initially known as Blue Ribbon Sports?
Decathlon. Nike.
Yes! In the movie Wake Up Sid, what magazine does Konkana Sen's character work at?
Spaces.
There we go! Which K-pop group became the first to address the UN? Yes, the answer is BTS. You didn't hear the question only. I said K-pop.
Everything related to K-pop is BTS.
What are the 3 layers of the planet?
Core, crust,
Mantle.
What is the only... ये तो question पूछ लिया. Who was the second human to step on the moon?
Buzz Aldrin.
There we go.
I was gonna say no one cares.
Which animal has blue blood?
Octopus.
Yes! Identify the film from its badly explained plot. Bougie drama that happens on a boat and is narrated by a dog. She'll said it. Abey, dil dhadakne do is the answer. What is the name of the alternate dimension in Netflix's Stranger Things?
Metaverse.
Upside.
There we go. Who is the only person in the world to have written the national anthems of more than one country?
Rabindranath Tagore.
There we go. Which film featured the famous song Ye Dosti Hum Nahi Todenge?
Karan Arjun.
Sholay.
You are the one who got it. Amal, one answer. Which film featured the famous song Nashe Si Chad Gayi? Basically. What is the national song of India?
Sare jahan se acha.
That's the national anthem.
माँ तुझे सलाम.
Yes, A.R. Rahman sang it, of course.
Vande Mataram.
There we go. It's Vande Mataram. Which actress made her debut opposite Hrithik Roshan in Kauna Pyar Hai?
Amisha Patel.
Vaibhav gets the answer. Who wrote the Da Vinci Code?
Dan Brown.
There we go. Vaibhav, you are at two answers and you have qualified.
Done.
And you both. Yes.
Oh my God.
Kavya and Amal, disappointing. The Raven is a famous poem written
Edgar
by
Allan Poe.
who suggested the Ashok Chakra in the Indian flag?
Chanakya? No, that was wrong era.
Chanakya,
Sorry.
India,
Nehru.
B.R. Ambedkar. Dr.
B.R.
B.R. Ambedkar.
B.R. Ambedkar. Yeah. What was the capital of British India before Delhi?
Calcutta.
He got it. He got it. He got it. He got it. In Stranger Things, what is the name of Eleven's sister from the lab experiments?
Kali.
Yes! What character have both Robert Downey Jr. and Benedict Cumberbatch?
Sherlock Holmes.
He got it. And he has gotten his three answers. Let's go. Which period series follows the lives of the Crawley family and their servants?
Bridgerton. Downtown.
Downton Abbey.
Downton Abbey.
What does HTTP stand for?
Hyper Transfer Text Protocol.
Yes! Which astronomer is called out in Bohemian Rhapsody?
Galileo.
Yes! In the TV show Friends, what is the name of Ross's second wife?
The gay one.
Is the answer. Call Me Ishmael is the first line from what classic novel?
Bible.
Gush Beauty. Where is the camera? Make sure it is Gush Beauty that has said all this. All my DOP is Christian, guys. What is the Canadian character from How I Met Your Mother called?
Robin. 3. Out.
Who created the painting The Persistence of Memory?
Salvador Dali.
There we go. Which was the first Indian film to be nominated for an Oscar?
Lagan.
Mother India.
There we go. He's up for it, bro. Which Olympic sport is known as the sport of kings?
Archery.
Golf.
Fencing. No.
Sport of kings.
Golf. No.
Horse ride. Equestrian.
What
Polo.
does Pacho play? Antarctica shares its pin code with which city in India? The answer is freaky as hell. Which coffee houses did Ross, Rachel, Monica, Chandler, Phoebe?
I said it first.
The series Gilmore Girls is set in
Stars Hollow.
what sport is known as the gentleman's game?
Cricket.
I said it. 3.
If you win the
Alia
Then who gets it?
Alia Bhatt was a child actor in which 1999?
Sangharsh.
Which Indian actor played the role of Harshad Mehta in web series
Pratik
Scam
Gandhi.
1992? Pratik Gandhi. And we have a winner! वापस कर दे भाई, अगले एपिसोड में चाहिए वो. हर एपिसोड में यही बोल रहा हूँ मैं. I'm hoping you just cut this part.